Hi everyone, today we're going to do a review on this portable smart heat press machine. It's made by OFFNOVA. And so let's get started. So I've already taken the items out of the box. You're going to get the portable heat press and a stand. It's like a nice light blue color. You also get obviously the instruction manual. Pretty self-explanatory instructions. You get a little chart that's kind of tells your times and temperatures for different materials. And you get a little bag. Okay, so let's make something with this and we'll see how it does. Okay, so I just plugged this in. It's very easy to set your time and temperature. The first thing you're going to do after you plug it in is turn on the power. The power button will light up. And then it's going to be in Fahrenheit and your time. So we're going to sublimate a design on a t-shirt. So we usually do that at 380 for 70 seconds. So we'll go ahead and set this. You press this temperature button right here. And you will move your up and down arrow until you reach your temperature. And then I set for 70 seconds, and now we're going to press our time, little timer button right here. And we're going to press the up and then down arrows until we get to 70 seconds. You can hold it down, it'll go faster. I just overshot, so let's go back a little. Okay, so I've got this set, and you can check your settings by pressing your temperature again. I've got it set for 380, and press your time, and I've got it set for 70 seconds. So we'll let this warm up, and we'll continue from there. Okay, so this little heat press heats up pretty quick. We're already at temperature. And now it does not come with a press pad. So we use the one off of our heat press that we have over here. I don't know, you could probably place a towel or something underneath of it, but we like to use a pad underneath, and it doesn't come with one, so you might need to get a pad to put under your item you're pressing. And what you want to do is take a lint roller and make sure you don't have any lint on your shirt. And then you can take your press and just kind of smooth the wrinkles out of it, just like an iron. Get all the wrinkles out on the area you're going to press. And then we're going to do this little pig design. And for an adult t-shirt, your design is approximately 3 to 3.5 inches below the collar there, which I'm just going to guess. But before you heat your design, press your design, you want to kind of cut it out a little bit so it's not square. So I'm just going to cut this around it. Don't get too close. You just don't want it to be square. We'll just cut around this. Try not to get his ears. Like that. So we've already lint rolled, we've already heated the wrinkles out of it. So we're just going to place this in the centered, approximately 3 to 3.5 inches below the collar here. And if you want to check it, you just take a tape measure, fabric tape measure, and we'll look and see where we're at. It's going to be about right there, 3 inches. Okay, and I've got it centered. Okay, so get a couple of pieces of heat tape. Tape it down. Like so. Just so it doesn't move on us. And then we're going to need a piece of butcher paper. Just big enough to cover your design. That way you don't get sublimation transfer onto your heat press. Just need it big enough to cover the design. Okay, just like that. Now I think the design is slightly, it might be, it's just a little bit bigger.
I do it in sections.
So we're going to do this in 2 sections. So we're going to do the top half first. Just set it down on there. Press your green button right here, and that starts your time.
Hold pressure on.
And we're going to use medium pressure, so I'm just going to push down on the heat press, and we'll wait for the timer to go off. Okay, we're down to 13 seconds. I do want to mention there also is an app you can download to your phone, because this is also Bluetooth. So it tells you in the instructions how to download the app. Okay, we're done here, so we're going to raise it up. And I'm going to set it down here on the bottom half, and we'll start all over again. Just press the button right here, and that starts your countdown time. It's green when it reaches temperature. Okay, so I'm going to put pressure on here, and we'll let this count down and continue from there. Okay, so our time's up. I've already removed the parchment paper. I'm going to go ahead and remove the design. And that's what it looks like. Obviously, I got it on there all crooked and everything, because this is supposed to be straight. But you can see, I mean, it transfers just fine. The heat you need is there. I forgot to mention, this does come with an app that you can use on your phone, so you can use this with a Bluetooth app. And those instructions to download that app are with the documentation. So it's a nice little press. It does what it's supposed to do. It's great for little small projects. I mean, if you want to do bigger projects, you just have to heat it in several places. Hopefully this review was helpful. I've got plenty of other videos on my channel. Check them out. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.